Welcome back from your short, brief, very informative commercial break. We are now here at the third installment of commonly asked customer questions. A lot of people want to know about the other forms of fabric treatment for shoes like the Chukka. We have here the Chukka Suede, the Chukka corduroy, and the Chukka canvas. So 3 different materials, which is why we have a few different options for you. Right here we have the Otter Wax fabric wax. This is going to primarily be used for the Chukka canvas. You can also use it on the suede, but we have a few other options that might work a little bit better. Right here we have the fabric and leather proof spray from Wax. This is going to be used on the Chukka canvas and the Chukka corduroy. We highly recommend using this one. And for the Chukka suede, we do have the Nubuck and suede proofing spray that you can apply to this. Now, please keep in mind if you do use the sprays or any of the waxes that we offer, that they may darken the material that you're using them on. Just a note. So, pretty simple stuff. We're gonna use the Chukka canvas to show you exactly how to apply the spray. First thing you wanna do is remove the laces. So, we already have that done. Kaylee, thank you. Here is what it will look like. So, once you have the laces off the boot, go ahead and take your spray, give it a little shake, give it a little rattle, handmade cocktail there. Take it, go ahead and start applying it all over the Chukka. You want to apply it generously, and in doing so, you may get some streaks here. You know, it looks like it's being doused pretty well. That's a good thing. You're going to have this, you're going to let it sit for 24 hours, and after that, all that dampness is going to seep into the material, and it's going to make this thing very, very water resilient. So once you have finished spraying the boot, go ahead and let it sit, marinate, chill out for 24 hours before you lace it back up, put it back on, and get out there in the real world. But be sure to wear a mask.